Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of America's ultimate comfort foods, the grilled cheese sandwich. It's crispy, gooey, and oh so satisfying. But have you ever wondered about its origins, or why it's become such a staple in American households? Stick around because we're serving up some hot facts you probably didn't know about the grilled cheese sandwich. Let's get started. To understand the grilled cheese, we have to go back, way back. Bread and cheese are two of the oldest prepared foods in human history. Ancient civilizations, like the Egyptians and Greeks, paired bread with cheese because they were affordable, long-lasting, and incredibly delicious. This humble combination was the blueprint for what we now call the grilled cheese sandwich. The grilled cheese sandwich as we know it didn't appear until the 1920s. What changed? Sliced bread and processed cheese. Otto Frederick Rohwedder invented the bread slicing machine in 1928, revolutionizing how Americans consumed bread. Around the same time, James L. Kraft patented processed cheese, which was easy to melt and didn't spoil quickly. Together, these innovations created the perfect pairing. During the Great Depression and World War II, grilled cheese sandwiches gained popularity as an inexpensive, filling meal. The U.S. Navy included cheese sandwiches in their cookbooks, using government-issued cheese and bread. By the 1940s, they became a cafeteria classic in schools, and their popularity only grew from there. Did you know the grilled cheese sandwich isn't just an American thing? In the UK, they call it a cheese toastie, while in France, the croque monsieur is a fancier cousin made with ham and bechamel sauce. In India, you'll find spiced versions with chutney, and in South Korea, grilled cheese often includes sugar for a sweet twist. Who knew this simple sandwich could be so versatile? Making the perfect grilled cheese is part art, part science. For that golden brown crust, butter your bread, or try mayo for an even crispier result. Use a medium-low heat to melt the cheese evenly without burning the bread. And speaking of cheese, the meltability matters. Cheddar, American, or even Fontina are all great choices for that gooey center. The grilled cheese sandwich has cemented its place in pop culture. From being a comfort food for characters in movies to inspiring memes online, it's more than just a sandwich, it's a symbol of nostalgia and simplicity. Even celebrities like Chrissy Teigen have shared their love for grilled cheese, making it a timeless favorite. Let's kick it up a notch and make a gourmet grilled cheese. Start with sourdough bread, add a mix of sharp cheddar and Gruyere, and toss in some caramelized onions and crispy bacon. Cook it low and slow until the cheese oozes out and the bread is perfectly crisp. Who says grilled cheese can't be fancy? Did you know there are grilled cheese competitions? Events like the Grilled Cheese Invitational have chefs creating wild versions of this classic. Think truffle oil, lobster, or even dessert grilled cheese with Nutella and mascarpone. It's proof that the grilled cheese is constantly evolving. Why is grilled cheese so comforting? Psychologists say it's because it reminds us of childhood. Whether it was your mom making it after school or pairing it with a warm bowl of tomato soup, grilled cheese connects us to happy, simpler times. That's why it's called a comfort food. It's not just about taste. It's about memories. Grilled cheese isn't just a home-cooked meal. It's also a thriving industry. Across the U.S., grilled cheese food trucks and restaurants have become wildly popular, offering unique spins like mac and cheese-filled sandwiches or those stuffed with barbecue pulled pork. Did you know that the grilled cheese sandwich industry is worth millions annually? This simple dish has become a staple in the growing comfort food market. Okay, so grilled cheese might not scream healthy, but it does have its perks. Whole grain bread can provide fiber, and cheese is a good source of calcium and protein. Plus, eating comfort food can boost serotonin levels, improving your mood. Just keep the butter in check if you're watching your calories. Everyone knows grilled cheese pairs perfectly with tomato soup, but what about some unexpected combos? Ever tried grilled cheese with a side of tangy pickles? Or dunking it in barbecue sauce or marinara? Some people even pair it with sweet jams for a unique sweet and savory twist. Want to elevate your grilled cheese game? Try mixing different cheeses. Pair a sharp cheddar with a creamy brie for complexity or mozzarella with parmesan for an Italian vibe. For spice lovers, throw in a slice of pepper jack. The possibilities are endless. While we think of grilled cheese as an American classic, variations of this dish exist worldwide. In Brazil, they enjoy pão de queijo, a cheesy bread snack. In India, grilled cheese often includes chutneys and spices. In Switzerland, it's all about raclette, a melty cheese dish served with bread. This sandwich truly has global cousins, and that's the cheesy story of the grilled cheese sandwich. From ancient roots to modern gourmet creations, this humble sandwich has won hearts around the world. What's your favorite way to make a grilled cheese? Share your recipes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious food stories. Until next time, stay cheesy.